Miyasi Institute of Management to educate the students practically. Here, we bring the corporates to the campus, and along with the corporates, our students co-work with them, learn what is being required in the corporates, taught by the corporates, mentored by the corporates. As a result, they are corporate ready at the end of the 2 years program.
The MBA program at Miyasi has provided me a splendid opportunity to hone my entrepreneurial skills and explore my maximum potential.
I guess everyone knows corporate world is nothing else but the survival of fittest. So solving a problem and deciding a solution for it is a difficult task nowadays, right? That is what I earned here. Getting into touch with the corporate mentors and connecting to the industry has paved me the way to enhance my skills here. Also, being a part of the HR team and preparing different policies and procedures gave me a corporate experience beforehand.
I'm an engineering graduate, and my experience about MBA program was completely different to what I've experienced here. It isn't just confined to classroom learning, but rather an intellectual adventure blended with theoretical learning and practical experience. And to highlight one, research and intelligence has taught me data analytics skills and to draw meaningful conclusions from them. Now I am confidently working on data analytic projects for organizations.
There's a big misconception about branding. People think brand is just a logo, but it's much more than that.
I was just a regular and a basic BCom student when I joined Miyasi, with no proper inputs and knowledge and exposure about what the corporate world actually is. My role in this team was to bring in corporates to the campus, and this has benefited me immensely, got me to know how the corporate works.
The concept Corporate in Campus, which we developed, has opened plethora of opportunities for students to connect, collaborate and co-work with business organizations. Our students take up live projects, do internships and get mentored by top executives and successful entrepreneurs from various business organizations.
2 years of Miyasi gave me a lot of confidence in facing the corporate world.
My experience at Miyasi assisted me to be as a more independent person.
I always thank Miyasi for giving me such an opportunity and being a game changer in my life.
Now I'm more confident and ready to take on any upcoming challenges that will be put forward in my corporate career.
I feel you won't be able to get such experience in any other institute or any other B school.
Choosing Miyasi is one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life.